Rockland BOCES Culinary C-Tech program is a well-rounded program in the sense that it gives the traditional high school student a hands-on approach for culinary to get them ready for either college or career in the culinary industry.
Since about 2 years old, I've been in the kitchen and I've known that I wanted to pursue this as my passion.
Juliana is the type of student I think that every teacher wants to have in their classroom. She has that forward-thinking ability so that when you are in a kitchen, it's what's the next step. She just thrives in the kitchen. She has this energy and this passion and this smile that just brings all the students together. They all gravitate to her to find out what's the next thing I should be doing, Juliana.
My grandma has inspired me to be in the kitchen and love to cook.
She's mastered her knife skills. She's mastered her cooking skills. She's actually going to compete this year.
The academics for this class is very important because you need to know how to cost your menu.
And anything else for the culinary program, students have an opportunity to gain 3 college credits for fundamentals of entrepreneurship. We also offer the ServSafe certification at the end of the year, and we are a ProStart certified school.
I'm excited about my future and owning my own restaurant. Definitely coming to BOCES helped realize like this is what I want to do.
There's really no other program like it in Rockland County, and it really prepares high school students for what the industry is really going to be like for them.